My name is Ian Turk, and I have spent my time in the DISC REU program at Notre Dame researching data visualization. Data visualization is important in research because it allows humans to understand large or complex pieces of information at a glance, and because it provides useful tools for researchers to share their findings with other researchers and the public. Computers allow us to create fantastic visualizations, combining enormous amounts of information into a single image, or into moving visualizations that change with the data they represent. For my time here at Notre Dame, I worked on a team competing in the vast 2016 Data Visualization Challenge. As part of the challenge, we were given 14 days of simulated sensor data from a hypothetical laboratory. It was our task to create tools to identify anomalies in the data and to detect patterns that could be used to predict potentially harmful events in the future. The data came in two types. The first was sensor data about conditions inside various zones throughout the building and contained variables like temperature, thermostat settings, CO2 concentration, and electrical power usage. This data was recorded in neat 5-minute increments, which made it very easy to create smooth visualizations. The second type of data was proximity data about the locations of the employees. This data was recorded whenever an employee moved from one zone to another while wearing their ID card. Some employees would lose their ID over the 2-week simulated period and would switch to a new one. A large part of the challenge was connecting the proximity data to the building sensor data. To complicate things, the proximity and building sensor zones were completely different. I was tasked with using the d3.js JavaScript library to create visualizations of the building sensor data. This contained 4 parts. In the first, a large matrix represents each sensor reading at a point in time as a dot, with the color of the dot going from blue to red as the value of the variable becomes larger. The size of the dot shows the distance of the variable from its average value at that time of day. This allows the user to easily spot anomalies in the data for further investigation. Below the matrix is a line graph, a simple but effective visualization that shows the value of selected variables in an adjustable range of time. At the bottom is a view that shows variables that are behaving abnormally, as measured by correlation, difference from average, and in the case of the proximity data, Kullback-Leibler divergence. On the next tab, a heat map of one selected variable is shown over a map of the building to easily view the distance of employees from an anomalous event. I have greatly enjoyed my time researching data visualization at the University of Notre Dame, and I hope future students will be able to share in my experience. Thank you.